Hatching rate, 95%. Ayan, kita nyo yan ha. So, we're backed up by lab results.
This is fully hatched deep blue brine shrimp under a microscope.
Hi guys, MR Guppy here. We are in an Artemia lab and of course, dala-dala natin ang Deep Blue Aqua products. So right now guys, we are in an Artemia lab and we are trying to study Artemia, learn more about Artemia so that we can bring in more quality products in the Philippines at a very, very affordable price. So right now guys, if you can see, I brought Deep Blue products here in the lab so that we can have it, you know, tested out para malaman talaga natin yung hatch rate niya, malaman natin yung quality niya compared to other brands, how excellent the egg separation is, and of course, syempre para mapakita natin na totoo ang mga kiniklaim natin sa mga labels natin. We will be proving it to you guys through experiments in the Artemia lab. Okay? Babalikan natin tomorrow ang result. Syempre, ngayon natin papasalang to. So, abangan ang mga future videos natin. Babalikan natin to. We're gonna be here for 3 days in this Artemia lab.
Hi guys, MR Guppy here. It's day 2. Babalikan natin yung results dito sa Artemia lab and tingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang results ng Deep Blue Brine Shrimp. So, tara!
Ayan guys, ganyan ang itsura ng Deep Blue Brine Shrimp under the microscope. This is fully hatched Deep Blue Brine Shrimp under a microscope. Ayan, yan ang kinakain ng mga guppies natin, mollies, and other ornamental fish. Yan, nakita nyo. 24 hours. We are trying to compare the egg separation of Deep Blue with 2 other brands and look at the egg separation of Deep Blue. Grabe, diba? Ayan, no? Kitang-kita niyo yung egg separation. Ito medyo may mga halo-halo pa. Pero tinan niyo yung Deep Blue, talagang ang bilis umangat. Grabe, diba?
Yo guys, cut ko lang yung vlog ah. Actually, yung pag-visit ko sa Artemia lab, last March pa yun. Tapos binigyan nila ako ng official lab results. Pero ngayon ko lang naalala, kaya hindi ko na na-post dati. So ngayon naalala ko, bubuksan ko and papakita ko sa inyo yung results. Check nyo. Okay guys, so ito na siya. Tcharan! 3 pages siya ng lab results. Tapos pakita na lang natin sa kanila. So ito yung page 1. Ayan, tingnan nyo, March 21 yung date of testing. Nakalimutan ko lang i-post. Ayan, Deep Blue 125 grams. Yan, importante to. Actually, ito importante yung page 2. Dito talaga yung mismong results. Yung page 3 naman, parang certification lang. Nakalagay dito, impurities, clean naman. Color na says, reddish brown. Tapos, moisture, 13 to 15%. Ayan, ito yun. Ganito karami yung tinesting nila. Pieces of cysts. Tapos, after 12 hours, nag-start na mag-break yung mga cysts. After 18 hours, full bloom na of umbrella stage. Tapos, full bloom na of hatching. Yung umbrella stage yung parang nagkano na sila, yung bumuka na. Ang hatching naman is yung lumalangoy na talaga. So, ito yung importante guys. So, hatching rate, 95%. Ayan, kita nyo yan ha. So, we're backed up by lab results. Hindi to basta-basta lang tayo nag-claim ng mga sinasabi natin. And how did they compute for this? It's the hatching efficiency. 161,530 divided by the number of cysts na tinry i-hatch. Tapos mortality, ayan, nasa 3%. So, 2% siguro hindi nag-hatch. Pero yan yung actual, ayan, no, na-measure nila. So, yan yung actual results. And this is just my way of, showing to you guys na 95% ang hatch rate natin. So,
okay guys, so right now we are trying to test OSI Red Ring. This is the best kind of Artemia from OSI, the highest hatch rate. So this is the OSI 1, and this is the new product soon hopefully of Deep Blue. So we will be offering bohai eggs, not really for the ornamental fish industry, but okay din naman. But I am targeting to sell this to shrimp hatcheries to help them lower their costs. So as you can see, the quality is really the same as OSI Red Ring, but this will be much cheaper. Ayan guys, check nyo ha. OSI US going to be the new product of Deep Blue Aqua Products, Bohai eggs, which is very comparable with the OSI Red Ring. Ayan, no? If you notice, pareho yung hatch rate, diba? Nagdala ako kasi ng sample nito para ipa-check natin kasi sabi ko gusto ko i-compare. Ayan, ginawa nila, binigyan nila ako chance para i-compare para lang mapakita sa inyo. Ayan, tingnan nyo. This is only 20 hours, 20 hours of hatch. Okay guys, at 24 hours, ganito yung results ng OSI Red Ring. And ito yung results ng future product natin, which is Bohai eggs of Deep Blue brine shrimp. So as you can see, at 24 hours full bloom, very comparable yung OSI, or even better pa nga to eh. Medyo better pa nga tong magiging future product natin. So ayan guys.
Okay, right now guys, pinayagan tayo pumasok sa Algae room nila. Itong algae room na to, ayan no. Ito yung mga pinapakain sa mga early stages of fry, early stages ng mga fry ng fish, ng shrimps, yan, ito yun. Bago ka magpakain ng Artemia, hindi ko lang guys kung pangit yung audio bago ka magpakain ng Artemia, you feed them algae. So ito yun. Very interesting, di ba? Very interesting. Yan. Ano lang to? Side video, side kwento lang.
Okay guys, in this lab, gumagamit daw ng agar to check if yung mga Artemia natin ay merong Vibrio. Ang Vibrio is an aquatic pathogen. Ginagawa to make sure na yung mga Artemia na papadala natin sa mga shrimp hatcheries ay free of pathogen na baka maging disease sa mga shrimp hatcheries. Actually, ginagawa to para sa mga shrimp hatcheries. Pero since for mga fish hobbyist, pinapakita ko rin sa inyo to para mapakita ko sa inyo na gaano ka-quality and gaano tayo ka-sure na yung pinapakain natin sa mga isda natin ay free of pathogen, free of Vibrio. Okay? So yan, may mga lab test tayo. Lagi, bago ipadala sa atin. Okay?